No matter if you are an experienced user of 3D scanning or photogrammetry or an absolute beginner, sooner or later you will get models like this. They are incomplete because there are featureless surfaces on it, or like you can see here, there is a surface with too much sun reflection. That bench looks like there is snow or dust on it, but when I turn the point cloud to the original sun position, you can see that we have to fight with too much reflection from that green painting. If you need a clean model, you will spend hours of repairing or repainting it, or shoot a complete new set of images. But how about making a little artwork of broken scans instead of throwing them away? Or even create quick and dirty scans intentionally, because that kind of artwork creation is very fast compared to shooting images for precise models. This is a short sequence of an 8-minute video of my kitchen, shot with my Osmo Pocket 3 at 4K 60 frames per second. If you know something about 3D scanning and photogrammetry, you know that it is nearly impossible to get a nice model out of it because of the shiny, featureless surfaces you can see here. The only option would be the use of scanning spray, but you know, since I love my life, I avoided this because it would end prematurely if my wife comes home and is surprised by a foggy, stinky kitchen. So, what do you need? A photo or video cam to shoot your room or model. For models of that kind, it's okay to use an image sequence from a video. It goes way faster than taking a lot of still images. But you should record in 4K, otherwise it can be that image alignment does not work if the video is too bad. You need 3ds Zephyr or any other photogrammetry software to create your 3D model. You need Blender to make a wireframe model from the original mesh. And you need Unreal Engine to render 1,000 or more frames from your video in a very short time and a high quality. You can use Blender or any other 3D app to render your final movie, but Unreal Engine is way faster. Check it out. So this is my 3D model. It is created with nearly 1600 images from that 8-minute video. I extracted the images of the 4K 60 frames per second footage with 5 images per second, and after that I filtered out every blurred photo. The final input was 1596 images for the photogrammetry. I limited the mesh density to 2 million triangles, because Unreal Engine can crash if you load big meshes above 2 GB. The mesh looks like expected, the featureless surfaces leading in incomplete parts. But if I turn on wireframe mode, you can see that it looks much more interesting, at least for me. The last step in Zephyr is to create the textured model and export it as OBJ. I made a 4K PNG image map that's absolutely enough. Here's the model in Blender, and we don't have a lot to do here. Load a wireframe modifier and set the options like you see here. Adjust the thickness to your personal taste. Press apply to bake the wireframes onto the model and to replace the original. Export it as OBJ with texture settings to copy. And here we are finally in Unreal Engine. Without going too much into detail, I created a level sequence, a cinematic camera and some lights. After that, I animated the camera for a little walk into the kitchen. That's it. I hope you like that style and maybe you got some new inspiration.